Hello everyone, welcome to EduSoft. So today we are going to start on our topic of electronic spreadsheets. We have already completed 2 videos regarding electronic spreadsheets. Videos are available on our YouTube channel. You can go through it and watch the full video. So in this session, what we will going to start, what we will going to learn, we will going to learn about calculator functions, structure of the functions, built-in function, and simple functions. So in this section, we will going to understand what are functions. So let's start. What are functions? Functions क्या होते हैं? Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations by using specified values called arguments in a particular order and structure. So functions क्या होते हैं? Functions हमारे प्रीडिफाइंड फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं जिनका हम यूज करते हैं कुछ कैलकुलेशंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए by using specified values. In our last session, we have already covered this part of formulas. That formulas क्या होते हैं? हम फॉर्मूला का कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? Now, in this session, we are going to learn about functions. Whenever we need to perform calculations over the large range of cells, over the large range of data, so it is better to use functions. Why it is better to use functions? Because to enter formulas repeatedly become difficult and time consuming. आपके पास क्या होता है? आपके पास एक रेंज ऑफ डेटा है, आपको उस रेंज ऑफ डेटा पे कुछ कैलकुलेशंस को परफॉर्म करना है. इफ यू यूज फॉर्मूलाज, अगर आप हर एक फॉर्मूला को एंटर करोगे एंड देन उससे कैलकुलेशंस करोगे तो क्या होता है कि वो डिफिकल्ट भी होता है, एक टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी होता है. सो functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations by using specified values called arguments. So here we are going to learn about structure of functions. जो भी हम functions use कर रहे हैं उन functions का क्या structure होता है? A function begins with an equal or plus sign followed by the function name and opening parenthesis, the argument for the function separated by the commas and a closing parenthesis. Whenever you type a function, so how you can type a function? फंक्शन हमेशा किससे स्टार्ट होता है? या तो आपका इक्वल साइन से स्टार्ट होगा या आपका प्लस साइन से स्टार्ट होता है. उसके बाद आप क्या करते हो? आप फंक्शन का नाम लिखते हो. जैसे कि अगर आप सम का फंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो या आप एवरेज फंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट? यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन. उसके बाद आपके पास पैरेंथेसिस होते हैं जिसके अंदर आप आर्ग्यूमेंट्स देते हो. सो हियर we are going to understand another term, that is argument. So what is argument? Argument क्या होता है? An argument in a function is the value that a function uses to perform operations or calculations. Argument क्या होता है? Argument एक function में एक ऐसी value होती है जिसको function use करता है by to perform some operations and to perform some calculations. The type of argument a function uses is specific to the function. जो भी आपका argument का type होता है वो function specific होता है. So here what we have understood till now, we have seen what are functions. Functions क्या होते हैं? Functions का क्या structure होता है? And the very last, argument किसे कहते हैं? So in this session we are going to learn about some of the functions, like we are going to see what is average function क्या होता है, sum function क्या होता है, what are minimum and maximum function, हम minimum and maximum values को कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, what is count function, what is count a function, what is today function, and how we can use round function. So in this session we are going to learn all about this. But before this, let's understand one thing. What are inbuilt function, or we can say what are built-in functions. जो आपके built-in functions होते हैं, जैसे कि अभी आपने built-in functions के कुछ examples देखे, like we have average function, sum function, max minimum function, today function, round function. So all these functions are the built-in function. So what are built-in functions? These functions fall under different categories like text function, mathematical function, trigonometry, financial, date and time. And these are the functions which are available in the calculator spreadsheet. Built-in functions क्या होते हैं? वो function जो आपके calculator spreadsheet में already available होते हैं. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उनको हम built-in function बोलते हैं. So let's come to LibreOffice. There we are going to understand more about different functions. So this is our LibreOffice. Here you can see different options like you have write a document over here. You have calculator spreadsheet. You have Impress presentation. You have draw drawing. You have math formula and base database. All the topics regarding writer document, we have already completed them. The videos of writer document are available in our YouTube channel. You can go through it and access the full playlist. So in this session, we are going to learn about calculator spreadsheet. So how you can open a calculator spreadsheet? What you have to do, you have to just double click over here and your calculator spreadsheet will open like this. So this is your worksheet and the name of the calculator spreadsheet is available over here. That is the sheet 1. So here we are going to understand how we can use simple functions. हम simple functions को कैसे use कर सकते हैं? So before this, what we have to do, we have to create some data values. हमको क्या करना होगा? हमको कुछ data values को create करना होगा. Like I'm going to write over here, that is the stock value. So this is my heading and I want to give some values like 1000. I want to give like 500, like 400, 200, 50, 100. So these are my values and this is my data over which I am going to perform some simple functions. So what you have to do, like here in this cell, I want to get the value or we can say I want to get the output of my function. So what I have to do, I have to click over here and after this what I have to do, मुझे क्या करना होगा, मुझे यहाँ पे insert पे जाना है. And in insert, you can see one option over here, that is the function. And what is the keyboard shortcut for the function? जो आपके पास function होता है, उसका क्या keyboard shortcut होता है? Control plus F2. So Control plus F2 is the keyboard shortcut to display the function wizard. So when you click on this function option, a function wizard will open in your screen. तो ये क्या है? ये आपका एक function wizard open हो चुका है. Now here you can see different options. You can see search over here. These are the categories and these are all the functions. So you have many functions over here. You have address, aggregate function, and function. You have areas, you have ascending, you have color function, you have code function, choose, and you have many functions. First of all, what we are going to see? We are going to see here the sum function. So where is our sum function? Here. You can see over here. So this is your sum function here. And when I click on this sum function, here you can see sum function. And within the sum function, in the bracket, you can see number 1 and number 2. So ये जो ये number 1 and number 2 हैं, ये क्या होते हैं? ये आपके arguments होते हैं. And what it will return? It will return the sum of all the arguments. आपने sum function के अंदर जितने arguments दे रखे हैं, what it will do? It will return the sum of all the arguments. So this is our sum function and we are going to see this one. So here you can see formula and here आपने क्या देखा कि जो आपका formula है वो equal sign से start हो रहा है. After this, what I have to do? I have to press sum over here. And when I press sum and bracket, so you can see आपके पास क्या आ चुका है? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 आपके पास आ चुका है. And here you can see number 1 required, number 1, number 2 are the arguments whose total is to be calculated. So, and here you can see function and here you can see this option, that is the shrink option. So what you have to do? You have to click on this shrink option over here. So your window is here, over here. Function wizard and the sum function. Now what I have to do? We have to select the cells. मुझे कहाँ से लेके कहाँ तक जो मेरी value है, जो मेरे arguments हैं, वो सम के अंदर लेके आने हैं. सो आई वॉन्ट टू सेलेक्ट दिस वन एंड आई वॉन्ट टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम B2 टू आई वॉन्ट टू सेलेक्ट टू B7 फ्रॉम हेयर. सो आपने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो आपकी वैल्यू है वो आ चुकी है, दैट इज फ्रॉम B2 टू B7. ये आपकी वैल्यू है. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस श्रिंक ऑप्शन एंड यहाँ पे आप देख रहे होंगे कि जो आपकी वैल्यू है वो यहाँ पे प्लेस हो चुकी है नंबर 1 फंक्शन पे एंड इन फॉर्मूला जो आपकी वैल्यू है वो यहाँ पे आ चुकी है. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस ओके. आपको क्या करना है, आपको ओके पे क्लिक करना है और आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि जो आपकी वैल्यू है वो आ चुकी है. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन यूज सिंपल फंक्शंस. So try out with some another examples at your home. And if you have any doubt in this session, you can ask me. That is all about today's session. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.